Hi everyone, it's Charlie Hogan. I wanted to go over this week's module with you. I'm not sure if everyone has used Blackboard before, so I just wanted to familiarize you as you begin this course. So first we have the learning objectives. I have included them in two different ways. That way you should be able to access them. If you have any issues, you need to let me know because the objectives are very important to the course and the learning outcomes. At the end of the week, you will complete this arterial sheath post-test. And what this is a quiz, and it contains 7 questions. You will have 2 attempts, and it needs to be completed within an hour. If you do not complete it within the hour of the time frame given, it will do forced completion, meaning that you will get the grade for whatever you have completed. You do, like I said, have 2 attempts, and it is due October 25th at 12. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. We also will have a discussion post that's going to be due October 31st at 11:59. You will be expected to reply to 2 of your peers, and that can be, the due dates for those can be found in the syllabus. And then we also have a learning assignment here, and this will be due on 12/6/2022 at 11:59. And then we also have an essay question, and it needs to be submitted on 12/6/2022. And I did attach the grading rubric. If you go in here, you'll also see that we are utilizing SafeAssign for this assignment, so you will have to agree to that. And then let me get right here is where you agree to the SafeAssign. And then right here, you can see the rubric. Okay. If you have any questions at all on how to utilize any of these things on Blackboard, you just reach out to me and I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you.